Okay, I'm trying to undo these 3 screws. I only managed to get this one opened up, as you can see here, but you can see all of the filings on the end, and this guy is getting stripped, and this guy here below also looks like it's getting stripped. So I'm going to give a shot using an impact driver and seeing what happens. Okay, this is the impact driver kit. That's the driver. There's 4 bits here. I don't know if you can see these. A couple of Phillips head and flathead. And we have this thing, which you can alter direction left and right here. Or you push it in, and now it's on right. You push it the other way, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And it has also the long bits here, you can see. Give that a shot. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to score the head of the screw and try to use a flathead and see if that does any better. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, I finally made the head of the screw flat, as you can see here. And I used the Dremel and just went in like this. Little scuff on the paint on the sides, no big deal. That screw should still be good. I can tighten it up. I don't need to be super tight. Number 2, I'm gonna zip into here, turn this into a flathead, and try to hammer that out too. But the impact driver did work using this guy here. You can see I'm able to turn it now. All right, number 2. All right, so after some more hammering, I managed to get this guy out too. I had to really score it, and I scuffed up my car as well here, but it finally came out. So this screw, I could probably say maybe I should have started with the impact driver before I damaged the head too much, but I didn't have one. For some reason this came out no problem, but the other 2, I killed the heads on them before I was able to get them completely, to get the impact driver, at least enough that I had to modify them. So now I'm gonna just turn this into a flathead now that it's out, and I should have no problem putting it in. I don't know if I want to really buy another screw. They're 20 bucks for a set. I don't really care, to be honest. But it worked. Yeah, so the replacement actuator cost about 40 bucks on Amazon. And I needed this impact driver. That cost another 40 bucks just so I could undo these screws. And if I want to replace all 3 screws with fresh ones, I'm gonna have to spend another 20 bucks for, they have a kit for these exact 3 screws, because I guess this happens a lot. So you're going from like a $40 actuator if you can get it off, to over 100 bucks if you can't. Having to get, if you don't have the tools, you need an impact driver and 3 more screws. I'm gonna reuse these screws because I don't care. And I just need to get this door to close, and so I don't have to jimmy it, you know, with this latch here. because this won't stay closed. See, when I close it like this, it pops open even with no power here connected. Something's wrong within the actuator, and the spring mechanism is keeping it open. So yeah, it's a job you can do yourself, but you got to have the right tools. Otherwise, it's a pain in the butt. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now.